Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by taking space, push 1, e4 or 1, d4 and contest e5 and d5 right away. Develop knights to f3 and c3 so you control central squares without overextending. Once knights are active, bring a bishop to c4 or g2 to pressure the center and prepare a pawn break, c4 or f4, within 3 to 5 moves. Make sure your king's safety isn't ignored. Castle, when practical so central control, becomes a stable asset and not a liability. Once you've established pawns and pieces in the center, coordinate them to sustain pressure. Place rooks on open files and bishops on long diagonals aiming at central points. You should advance central pawns only when your pieces support the push. Reckless pawn moves create weak squares for your opponent to exploit. When the timing is right, your pieces are developed and opponent's pieces are tied. Execute a pawn break like c5, f5, or e5 to open lines and convert spatial advantage into concrete activity. You finish by converting central dominance into concrete gains. Occupy open files with rooks, trade pieces when it simplifies winning plans, and launch a flank attack consistent with the pawn structure. King side if kings face each other, queen side if you have space there. If your center collapses unexpectedly, don't panic. Reroute your pieces to cover key squares, shore up the pawn structure, and generate counterplay on the flanks. Make sure to reassess tactics each move so you regain initiative quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.